The seventh and final phase of Lok Sabha elections is being held in 57 parliamentary constituencies spread over 7 states and 1 union territory. The National Institute of Mental Health and Neurosciences in Bengaluru has been awarded the Nelson Mandela Award for Health Promotion for 2024 by the World Health Organization. In Assam, flood situation worsened today as 6 people were killed and about 350,000 people have been affected across 11 districts. India Meteorological Department has forecast that the ongoing heat wave conditions will reduce gradually over northwest, central and east India during the next 2 days. The World Championship bronze medalist Nishan Dev became the first Indian male to qualify for the 2024 Paris Olympic Games.